But let's talk about the ease of implementing this software or implementing this application, since we said that it gets up and running within 5 minutes. So let's take a look at it. So I have this environment where I'm the administrator and I launch this application. As soon as I launch it on the landing or on the first page itself, it would ask me whether I want to start monitoring. Let's say I start monitoring our website, and I would say start monitoring now. So this is a single step transaction, kind of URL monitoring. I have just enabled it to monitor my URL. Now, these are the small pop-ups which come up as you scroll between screens, and you can take help from these documents, these videos, and if you do not want that help, you can either close it or you can bring it up again with this button. Now, this is the area. It has not yet collected enough data to show here, so let's go ahead and go to the application settings and see what are the functions we can, or what are the areas we can take advantages of. So here you can edit your app's name, and now on the locations, we are monitoring this application from 3 locations right now: London, UK, New York, Paris. HP has its point of presence all over the world, and you would see different locations which you can add listed here to monitor your application. It's not just covering the North America, but it is covering all over the world. You can monitor your application from Korea, you can monitor your application from Singapore and UK and all that stuff. Even if your application is not accessible from outside the world, you can set up the private locations where you just need to download a small piece of software, and then it connects automatically to AppPulse using a simple configuration, and then you can keep trending the metrics of the applications which are behind the firewall. You can set the thresholds on them, and in case your application has multiple transactions, for example, here we just had a single step, which was the home page of ResultsPositive.com. Now, if you have multiple transactions, you can click here and add transactions here. Now, these transactions can be your scripts, which are already created using Vusion, or you can create your own scripts. So you can add a script transaction, but if you do not want to add a scripted transaction, then you can just go to the monitors and click on and select any one of these, like URL monitor, or if you want to start a ping monitor on that, port network monitor, or FTP monitor. So these are out-of-the-box monitors available right now related to monitoring the performance of our application. Now, another feature is the downtime management, which I wanted to talk about, downtime settings. So it will also give you capabilities of creating downtime. So when you are aware of a planned downtime and you want to stop sending alerts, or you can completely stop monitoring the application so that it does not screw up the KPIs or health indicators of your application. You can enable the downtime settings here. And there was one more feature of SLA Quick Start. So if you are not aware or you are not sure of what kind of SLAs you want to define for your application, then you can just click on SLA Quick Start, and it will create a SLA automatically for your application and start tracking on that.